In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys amazing ways to make money from the comfort of your home. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. These are ways by which you can make money that you probably were not thinking of before now. In today's video, I'm going to be exposing you to ways to actually make money that you were not thinking of before now. I'm telling you. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you. Thank you for always supporting your girl. I see you. I see every single one of you, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, of course I know I'm hyper. So my name is Mariam A based here in California. I drop 3 videos every week. I'm your go-to person when it comes to how to making money online. It's all about the money. We're not here to waste time. We are here to make money and make money real big. We're not here to play. Are you here to play? Are you here to play? Okay guys, come with me, let's go. So guys, have you heard about swap.com? Hey, swap.com is a web-based consignment shop. Now you can sell pre-owned items. You can sell your used clothes. Yes, and make money instead of just piling up things and hoarding things in your home. Or if you have clothes that you haven't worn in 5-10 years, why not sell them and make money while at it? So pre-owned items can be sold at consignment shops, and it can be your fairly used clothes, that is still in good shape. The toys that your children play with, or the old furniture that you have replaced. And guess what? This is how the Swipe website operates. So if you list an $8 item on the website, you will immediately receive 15% cashback on 20% and 20% shop credits.4 if the item is more than $8, you will receive 70%, and after they will also charge a $4.95 processing charge. They will subtract that from your account. You'll be charged that. A website that you can actually make money from is Airbnb. Another website where you can actually make money from is neighbor.com. Yes, so it is the storage equivalent of Airbnb. Yes, I'm telling you. So neighbor.com is an earning website for people who reside in the US. But you can visit neighbor.com and post any empty spaces that you have, like the garage or storage area, so that renters can pay you for the space when it is not in use. So neighbor.com will either provide you with a debit card where you may deposit your monthly payouts, or pay you for your vacant spots through direct deposit. Now, the neighbor.com websites will also charge you a few minor fees in exchange for assisting you in making money from your unoccupied spaces. One of several secret websites where you can make money passively from is patreon.com. I know you must have been hearing about patreon.com. Guess what it is? Well, Patreon is a crowdfunding website, and when you utilize Patreon, it will make it simple for you to make money from your audience. You may earn money from these secret websites without having a social media audience or being a social media influencer. So if you were a teacher, your audience may be your students. You need to set up a page on patreon.com so that people who are interested in what you do can subscribe on a monthly basis and access your content. So Patreon is available worldwide. Yes. Check out patreon.com and thank me later. Another website where you can make good money is TaskRabbit. So TaskRabbit is a secret website where you can make money without any knowledge or expertise on your side. So you have the drive to work, and that's all you need. Once you have that zeal to work, this platform is specifically designed for people who really are aspiring to get a side hustle to make money from the comfort of their home. Yes, so to make money on TaskRabbit, visit TaskRabbit.com. You would input your personal information, and then if you are selected for jobs that you apply for, and you are successful at finishing those jobs, you will get the agreed upon payments. And by registering with TaskRabbit, you can find tasks that will pay you well based on your experience. On this website, TaskRabbit, there are 2 methods to earn money. You can earn money from the website's algorithm. The website algorithm will actually match you with jobs that fit your profile. And if you establish a profile, or you may explore the site and apply for open opportunities. Another website is BestMark. Yes, BestMark offers you the opportunity to earn money and receive complimentary food and services by signing up as a secret shopper on their website. Now, secret shoppers are actually responsible for completing tasks and sharing their experiences with the company. So depending on the assignment, secret shoppers can earn a lot of money. You don't want to miss it. I think I shared on one of my videos how I was I was paired with a secret shopper when I was working in the bank. I used to work in the bank, and I worked in the bank for about 3.5 years. And then we had a secret shopper, a mystery shopper. They're called secret shoppers or mystery shoppers. They will come into the bank and disguise as customers in the bank. They are not customers. I mean, they are also workers. They're working on behalf of the bank, but they want to know how people on the outside perceive the bank itself. And whether we know about our products, if our products actually meet their needs and what have you. They just want the feedback from those people. So they will come in and pretend to be customers, but of course they're working for the bank, so they will come and ask about the bank products. They want to know if the people in this branch are actually working, they're carrying out their duties, and if it's customer friendly, if we're able to respond to every single question that they have, and if we're able to help them open their accounts and sort out their problems as they walk in. So you can also apply to be a mystery shopper, where you would actually go in and make purchases. You're going to pretend that you're a customer, but you're not. It's like going into McDonald's and checking out their services. Checking out if the services in McDonald's in your area actually is in line with the approved policies of McDonald's, as a whole. So you can sign up to become a mystery shopper and start to earn money on the side. Yes, you can earn as much as I think $35 per visit or something. So yes, that's another cool way to make money. What can be better than that? I've told you guys on this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. Yes, you can make money online, you can make money from your phone. All you need is just a working computer or a phone. Yes, either way, any of the two, with any of the two, you're on your way to landing yourself amazing job roles and start to make money from the comfort of your home. What can be better than that? So guys, on my next video, make sure that you tune in to watch my next video, because I'm going to be sharing amazing ways that you can make money that you're not thinking of this year. Remember, we are all making money this year, so don't even sleep on it. I'm doing the research day and night just so I bring to you guys valuable information, and information that you can actually take to the bank. So please and please do not sleep on these amazing opportunities that I'm going to be sharing on my channel. Make sure that you check out my previous videos and start to check out websites where you can actually make money from the comfort of your home. And I have great information for you guys. There are actually websites that rich people actually pay people. They just give you money, dash you money. And I've also dropped the video on my channel. If you can't find the link to that channel, if you can't find the video, you can leave a comment and I'm gonna pin it. I'm gonna respond as a comment to you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you like this video, share this video, tell a friend, and if you have not joined this family yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join this family, and also share it with your friends. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. I love you. Bye guys. Mwah.